Stop traumatizing your dog every time you clean. You think they're just being dramatic.
But that roaring machine triggers a literal fight or flight panic.
Forcing them to endure it actually creates permanent noise phobia and aggression.
Fix it with the statue method. Leave the vacuum out, unplugged, for 24 hours.
Scatter high-value treats around the base so the monster becomes a treat dispenser.
Only turn it on once they stop caring that it's there.
Comment the biggest problem your dog has. Follow the channel for daily tips. Your free ebook is in the link in my bio.